friends, my name is Miss Beth from the Ashland branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make some no-cook Play-Doh. Perfect for a snowy day or just something to do fun with the kiddos. I'm going to go ahead and show you how much of each ingredient, and at the end I'll show you how you mix everything together. So let's get started. Alright, for this recipe you're going to need 1.5 cups of water, and later we're going to go ahead and boil that, but I'll show you that in just a second. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 cups of flour, and 1/2 cup of salt. And if you guys want to, you don't need to, but if you would like to do some colored Play-Doh, some food coloring as well. I have some red, yellow, and green. So first, we're going to start with boiling our water. Please have adult supervision while you guys are doing this. You can either boil the water on the stove or the microwave. I'm going to show you how to boil it in the microwave. And now we wait. All right, so it looks like our water has come to a boil, so let me go ahead and show you how to mix the ingredients. All right, so first we're going to go ahead and add the oil. And then make sure you stir that up nice and evenly. And then we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of tartar. Might get a little messy here, so that's okay, guys. It'll just be a fun cleanup for everyone. As I spill it everywhere. All right. So once you pour that in with the water and oil, you're going to go ahead and stir again. And then in this bowl right here, I'm going to go ahead and combine our flour, and salt. Stir this real quick. We're gonna stir this together. And then next, we're going to add the wet mixture, the liquid mixture, into the dry mixture. Go ahead and stir, mix it up. And then, once it's all done, you can either continue to stir it in the bowl, or if you want to, you can put it on the counter. If you do that, go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of extra flour if you have some on the counter, just to help make sure it doesn't stick together, especially on your fingers. Or you can just keep it in the bowl for an easier cleanup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and knead it a little bit in the bowl. It might be a little hot still, so just please be careful. Make sure there is an adult present while you're doing this. I quickly paused real quick because I really wanted to get in here and show you guys how to knead it. And went ahead and also took my ring off. So if you are wearing like any jewelry, like rings or bracelets, go ahead and just take it off just in case you don't want to mess it up. It's nice and warm now. It's kind of making me hungry. And you're going to want to keep kneading it until it's no longer sticking to your hand. So we're about almost there, give or take. Almost kind of looks like we're making cookies or something. All right, so it's pretty much ready, good to go, all kneaded up. So if you want to add food coloring, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that in this next step. If not, you can totally use this nice original color. I think it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is separate this into thirds and go ahead and put it in the bags and kind of I'll pour some of the food coloring into the bag for you guys and then kind of show you how to knead it up. And then it'll be ready to play with. All right, so we'll go ahead. Do that. Let me see. For the time being, I think I'll go ahead and show you guys one color. I'm going to go ahead and do red, but if you don't have, if you want to make like orange or something, you can mix red and yellow together. Or if you want green, but you don't have green, but you have blue and yellow, you can mix blue and yellow to make the green. So I'll go ahead and mix some red for you to kind of show you guys. And then we will have some fun with it. This is to also help avoid getting your hands all messy. All right, we'll see if that's enough. Don't want to add too much to it yet. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Add a little bit more. Use those fingers to keep kneading the color in, and look at, we're starting to see it turn red. This is a nice shade of red actually. All right, I went ahead and paused it real quick so I could finish kneading in the color. But there we go, some nice red Play-Doh, guys. If you want it a little bit lighter, add lesser drops. If you want it more vibrant and or darker, add a few more. But there you go, there's some homemade Play-Doh. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.